Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas with Cue the Confetti. Today, I am going to be doing a very quick recipe. It is 8 a.m. Ginger gets on the bus at 8:30, and I need to do a recipe for my work. We are having a little appetizer competition today in lieu of a traditional Christmas party because COVID. So what I'm bringing is cranberry salsa. I think I've said before that I grew up having different things for Christmas dinner. I didn't have like a traditional, sometimes it was traditional Thanksgiving again type of thing. I've had everything from a shrimp bowl to one of our favorites is fajitas. So fajita night. So we have this cranberry salsa. It's kind of a nod to Christmas season, and it is tart and tangy and spicy, and it's kind of refreshing. So what you're going to need is, and I'm going to be doubling the recipe, so ignore, but I'm going to give you the one recipe. What you're going to need is 1 bag of cranberries, a bunch of cilantro, like a literal one bunch, sugar, salt, and a jalapeno. And my mom takes the seeds out of the jalapeno. I do not. So, all right. Oh, and 2 limes. So I'm gonna set you up here, and I'm doing it all in my blender today. So I'm gonna add a little music here when the blender's blending so you don't have to hear that. So the first thing I'm gonna put in is a bunch of cilantro. Chop off the ends, I just rinsed it. Stick it all in there. This will mash down pretty good. And I like to put salt on this side. Okay, here we go. Start the music. We are going to go ahead and add cranberries. They were frozen. We're going to add cranberries. They were frozen. I let them thaw. And some of the lime juice. Here's my lime juice trick. Don't have a squeezer, that's no problem. I just stick my spoon right in there. Squeeze. Easy. Okay, pop it back on. I have not added the sugar yet, but we're gonna see how much liquid's in this. I'm gonna add the other cranberry. I'm gonna give it a little dash of salt. I'm going to take my jalapeno. Donde está jalapeno? One little jalapeno. And I'm gonna chop off the top. You can derib it, but I just smelled this one and it's very bell peppery. It's not very spicy, so I'm sticking it all in there. It calls for 3/4 cup of sugar for the one recipe. Of course, I'm doubling it. I again eyeball it. We usually use 1/2 cup. So it's up to your taste on that one. You want more tangy or more sweety? It's a bright and super Christmassy to look at. You can add green onion to it if you'd like. I just like to leave it pretty simple. And it pops right out like this. It's pretty. This freezes really well too. So you make it ahead and you can freeze it. Got yourself a little tangy salsa. Of course, a food processor won't do it just like this. This is pretty smooth. All right, it's ready to go to the party. That's it. I'm gonna go finish getting ready. Today is also the day that teachers dress up, so I am going to be a big box present. Can't wait. Yeah, thank you for joining us. This might be an easy one, especially if you have nice little Christmas fajitas like us. Little tamales, little fajitas. If you like spicy, add another jalapeno. Merry Christmas. See you later.